In this video, I have a really quick Illustrator tip for you. Did you know there's a magnifying glass in the Layers panel and it helps you find objects wherever they are in your file? So especially when we're working on one layer like this, you can see Illustrator has just tons of little teeny tiny objects that make up the entire illustration. And if you want to locate something, it can be kind of hard if you're trying to find it in the Layers panel. But if you just click on it, select it on the artboard, then go down to this magnifying glass icon on the Layers panel, click it, and Illustrator drives you right to that object. So that's really helpful. It also works great in a case like this when you have a really well-organized Illustrator file with lots of layers and groups, but you just want to find, like, where does this margarita exist? And you've probably asked yourself that question too. And as we can see here, it's going to be on the details layer, but if I use the magnifying glass, it saves me a step because Illustrator opens up the layer for me and even opens up the group for me, so I don't have to go in and do that manually. So that's just a quick tip for using Locate Object in the Layers panel in Adobe Illustrator.